Greenhouse, walkways, and flooring. Landscape fabric is often used for an effective, low-cost flooring for greenhouses. However, high traffic areas can become worn and water can pool. Workhorse panels placed over the landscape fabric create permeable, attractive, and highly durable walkways that will withstand decades of hard use. Water and soil flush right through the panels so it doesn't become a mucky mess on the walkway. Sections of walkway easily slide away if you wish to clean out soil that has accumulated underneath. Panels may be quickly separated without tools and installed in other places. They can be reconfigured into large indoor or outdoor floors. 2-inch thick workhorse panels were shown in the preceding video. 2-inch thick panels with integrated channels are also available. The channels are used to run hoses or wiring, where they won't get damaged and tripping hazards are minimized. Where the landscape fabric won't withstand the abuse it receives, workhorse panels may be placed right over the trouble spots. In addition to their practicality and durability, workhorse panels also enhance the beauty of your greenhouse, which should yield more sales. You can find more information at workhorsegs.com.